Hi guys and welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how I made a LED matrix controlled by your voice. So let's go!
Car, cube,
Let's try the next one. Memes.
memes, memes, memes,
Here you can see that some GIFs or pictures that have background have a bad quality. Memes. Memes.
plain,
Plain. I did this script in Python for controlling it. Here you can see, and it is very simple. Here you can look that there are no more than 60 lines of code, so that's it. This is what does everything. And that's the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like if you liked, leave a dislike if you didn't, and comment down below new projects and new ideas. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm Maestro Pau and I see you in the next video. Bye!